How to update Ocenaudio to the latest version. First of all, if you are already using Ocenaudio, you might want to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. It's always a good idea to stay updated with the most recent version for better performance and stability. To update Ocenaudio, start by launching the application on your computer. Once it's open, you need to click on the Help menu. Next, select the About option from the drop-down menu. This will display your current version of the app. Then, go to the official Ocenaudio website and look for the latest version of the app. If the version matches, you are using the latest version. However, if it doesn't, download the updated version and install it. Moreover, the app may also show the option for an update if it's available under the Help section. If it shows up, click on it and the software will ask if you'd like to download and install the latest version. Simply click Yes or Install to proceed. The update will begin downloading, and once the download is complete, the software will automatically install the latest version. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the update is installed, you can restart Ocenaudio and you will be using the latest version. You can double check the update by clicking on the About section in the same menu and confirming the version number. And that's it. Now you know how to update Ocenaudio to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.